Like other spiders, funnel web or funnel weaver spiders will create a mass of cobwebs in and around your home as they trap or hunt food. While these can be annoying to clean, there's also the danger of being bitten by one if you disturb it. While spiders can be beneficial, there's no help being done when an infestation breaks out, so in this video, we'll teach you how to identify and control funnel web spiders in and around your home. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To buy the products featured in this video or to learn more about funnel web spiders, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. While there are many families of spiders referred to as funnel web spiders, we'll focus on North American spiders in the Agelenidae family, which includes common grass spiders and the hobo spider. Funnel web spiders in North America are small, ranging from 1/5 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch in body length. The body and legs are hairy, and the legs typically have some dark banding. These spiders have 8 eyes, all roughly the same size. Identifying features get more specific by genus and then by species. Many spiders will have long-ways-running dark bands along the cephalothorax. Grass spiders have elongated thoraxes and long tail-like structures at their rear ends known as spinnerets. House-infesting tunnel weavers have rounder thoraxes with a more patchy pattern. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or to find hotspots of activity. Outdoors, funnel web spiders will create flat sheet webs in dense grass or low-growing dense shrubs. The actual funnel shapes are built in the corner of the web and extends out of sight, where the spider typically waits for prey. Other spots where webs can occur are on fallen branches, rocks, underneath eaves, within bricks, and on outdoor lighting. Funnel web spiders will also invade indoors wherever they can find insects to eat. They'll typically hang around in garages, sheds, basements, and attics where it can be dark, humid, and full of clutter. Look out for any webs and spiders that may be on your property. Also note any entry points spiders or other pests can use to invade your home. Be cautious as funnel web spiders will bite if disturbed. The bites from North American funnel web spiders are not lethal, but they will still cause a mild, lasting pain. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. First, clean and declutter in and around your home. Funnel web spiders will establish webs in dense areas they can hide in. This includes moving boxes indoors, mowing the lawn, trimming overgrown shrubs, and picking up wooden debris. If you find any webs, knock them down with the Cobb web duster. The Cobb web duster is made of nylon bristles designed to remove cobwebs and spider eggs. For any webs in higher, hard-to-reach areas, you can attach the duster to an extension pole. Address any entry points you may have found and apply exclusion methods to ensure no further pests can invade. Tight cracks and crevices may be filled with caulk, while larger voids may need to be stuffed with copper mesh. You may also need to repair any torn screens or fix brush or rubber seals on doors and windows. After you've cleaned, you'll need to treat indoors and outdoors with Supreme IT. Though Supreme IT is labeled to kill spiders, the main goal is to eliminate and prevent other pest insects from invading your home. These pests serve as the spider's food source, so with these pests gone, funnel web spiders will have less reason to invade your home. Mix a solution at the product's labeled rate of 0.33 fluid ounces to 1 whole fluid ounce of Supreme IT per 1 gallon of water over 1,000 square feet. Use the higher amount if you're dealing with a heavy pest infestation. We recommend you make the application with a handheld pump sprayer since it makes both mixing and applying product quick and simple. First, apply your solution indoors. Treat entry points like doors and windows, and pay close attention to cracks and crevices. This includes baseboards, around water pipes, behind and underneath appliances, and anywhere else you may have spotted hiding pests. You'll also want to treat in attics, basements, and garages. Indoors, Supreme IT can be applied only as a crack and crevice or spot spray. Outdoors, apply your solution as a perimeter treatment by spraying along your home's outer perimeter, spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. When complete, allow the solution to dry. This product will leave behind a residual that lasts for up to 90 days and will control over 70 different pests. Labeled pests that make contact with the residual will have their nervous system impacted, eventually dying in several hours. If you encounter any spiders while applying, you may spray them directly, as residual effects from insecticides have little effect on spiders anyway. After chemical treatment, we suggest you set up glue traps to monitor for any further activity. We recommend you use Solutions Pro glue boards for easy setup and placement. Simply remove the trap's waxy paper seal and lay the trap flat and flush against the wall near where you've seen pest activity, out of the reach of any children or pets. If you, a child, or a pet gets stuck on these glue boards, you can use cooking oil to loosen the trap's stickiness. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. To stop funnel web spiders from invading, you'll first need to address any moisture issues you may be having inside your home. Pests are attracted to moist rooms, so fix any leaky pipes, address any air conditioning problems, drain any standing water, and dry your sinks every night. Continue to pick up and clean inside and outside of your home to get rid of any potential spider harborages. Rake the lawn regularly, pick up any debris, and keep firewood properly stacked away from your home's foundation. Finally, keep up with timed reapplications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT has a 90-day residual effect, so we recommend you spray quarterly to keep pests away year-long. While funnel web spiders are normally beneficial, they'll leave behind plenty of cobwebs and will still bite if disturbed. So with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop funnel web spiders from infesting your home, and we offer free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.